If your mobile hotspot connection isn't working, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable it. But before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, please support us by liking the video, subscribing the channel and share it with your friends. Let's get started. First open and search local group policy. Here click on administrative templates. Then click on network and here click on network connection. So this is the file which disabled your mobile hotspot connection. Change it to disable. Now it's enable and change it this to disable. Apply and OK. Let's check it together. Is it working or not working? Now you can see at a start it's working. Guys, please subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.